Hi, in front of me I have Samsung Gear Sport, and I'm gonna show you how to enable the water lock mode on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. To do it, press any of the buttons or use the rotating bezel, like that. Then swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. And here we have water lock mode icon, the one with the water droplets on it. Tap on the icon, then tap the check mark to confirm. And now the water lock mode is enabled. You can see the droplets on the screen right here. That means that the mode is enabled. And to disable it, simply press and hold the bottom button for about 2 seconds until you see that the message that it says that water lock mode is turned off. And here you can shake your watch to shake off the water, or just tap OK to confirm. And that's how you enable the water lock mode on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.